Okay. You guys ready? Jared, just get back up here.
Okay, I'm going.
You say up here?
Yeah, just get out.
Yeah, I'll probably hit into you and you'll probably do a flip over.
I'll just grab on.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, stop failing.
Come on. Here we go. Oh my god. Ow. Thank you. Oh my god.
Why does that keep happening?
Last time my balls went right into this.
That was
Just run me over.
Come on!
Hurry up.
I started!
Make this. Oh. Ow. Did I kick you in the face?
no, the stick did. That was fun.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Blair Witch Project.
Got like stickers on. What the hell? That sucked.
Don't hit your head on anything.
That would just be funny.
Head sucks.
Alex gonna try to do the same thing. Don't wimp out! Okay.
Should I stay back there to try and stop him?
Yeah! He's probably gonna go way back, so you might as well. Are you going? Go! See?
Ow.
Are you okay?
Okay.
I'm regretting this.
You should.
Yeah, that's supposed to help. Okay,
Go.
come on.
Go for it. Go!
Give it a go.
Oh my god! You okay?
Oh my god, my hands are on fire.
You okay, buddy?
Oh my god. Put them in your pants.
Dude, I think
That was great, but oh my god, I tried to stop myself.
why don't you have gloves?
Terrible idea. Why didn't you just put your feet in the snow?
I think you outdid me, man.
Put your hands in your pockets, it helps. I need to get up first. Your gloves are icy. You grab my wrist, dick.
Nope, let go. Let go. You're freezing me to death.
Come on. Grab.
Jesus Christ!
I can't.
I'm not pushing out more stairs.
Pushing
I'm getting
out.
up. I'm getting up.
I'm not helping you. I'm cameraman right now.
Camera brain doesn't do
I think you outdid me. I think you got more air than me.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you went up like 3 feet or something.
Oh my
what
god.
are we doing now?
Let's watch it. Come on, Alex!
Oh my god! Ow! 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 Come on! Victory will be mine! Ow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay, go!
Practicing.
Oh my god! Oh! Ow!
What did I say? Elbows and hands.
That was amazing!
Was it?
Except for this stick.
Except now, if you go in the same place, you'll go much faster.
Yes.
Alex going on the bunny slope.
It's gonna be fun.
Homemade urban.
Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Dude, you just wiped out again.
No, he didn't wipe out, except he made it through that.
This is so comfortable.
It's not gonna be for
I'm
long.
gonna go up on the bunny slope. Ian, come on, move.
40 minutes. Trying to get through.
Okay, let me see it.